Welcome back to Good Morning Quad Cities. For most of us this morning, it's pretty quiet, but I am tracking a couple of showers and storms, mainly to the west of the Mississippi River this morning. However, they're kind of fighting some drier air in the upper atmosphere, which is helping to fizzle them out as they push eastward. Most of us are going to stay dry, I expect, by the afternoon, but I'm keeping the chance for a couple of showers and storms later this morning and into the afternoon. Highs today back into the low 80s, pretty comfortable compared to what's on the way this weekend. We still have that heat wave on the way, and that does start tomorrow. We're talking highs in the low 90s tomorrow, and then slowly climbing up into the upper 90s by the end of the weekend, just in time for Father's Day. But for the time being, it feels fairly nice outside with those temperatures in the 60s. Again, a lot of the rain still way off to our west, right around the Des Moines area. And if we zoom in a little bit to the south and west of the Quad Cities, we do see a couple of light showers passing through. These have actually weakened because of some of that drier air in place, and I do expect that later in the morning. As far as severe weather goes, not expecting it today. There are some stronger storms out in the northwest part of the Hawkeye State, but I do expect that stronger to severe threat to really stay out there. And even then, the threat in the central part of the Hawkeye State doesn't look too substantial either. Future track keeping most of us dry later this morning, but a couple of those showers and storms will sneak in by lunchtime. Once we get into the later part of the afternoon, we'll be left with some cloud cover. I do expect a decent amount of sunshine later today and into the evening hours. And then overall, it will be quiet later this evening. Not going to rule out a couple of isolated storms early tomorrow morning, but the overall chance for rain late tonight doesn't look too impressive either. By Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, still going to be hazy, hot, and humid. And Father's Day might be a better day to spend some time inside in the air conditioning because it is going to be sweltering this weekend. 93 by Friday, 95 on Saturday, and then by Sunday on Father's Day, we're talking a high of 97. When you factor in the humidity, very easily going to feel more like 100, possibly even 105 at times. And we're talking dangerous heat at that point. So if you do have any outdoor plans this weekend, have plenty of water ready to go, and maybe take frequent breaks in the air conditioning as well, just to give your body a break from all of that heat and humidity. Talk about a gorgeous sunrise this morning on our Davenport Eagle Eye. 60 right now. You wouldn't really know that there's a heat wave on the way because we are cool this morning. A slight breeze coming out of the southeast as well. 59 in Clinton, 61 in DeWitt right now, 64 in Maquoketa this morning. We're talking highs today, only getting into the low 80s, right around 83. Most of the rain will be well out of the way by the later part of the afternoon. And again, most of the rain will stay to the west of the Mississippi River. Starting to get warm and muggy tonight. We'll only fall into the upper 60s. That humidity really going to be cranking up. And I can't rule out a couple of showers and storms late tonight and early tomorrow morning, but they look more isolated than anything. 93 for your high on Friday, 95 on Saturday, 97 on Sunday. Still keeping that heat and humidity around after the weekend on Monday. We do have another chance of some showers and thunderstorms, but then after Monday, we will be trending cooler back into the 80s. Here's a look now at News 8 Sports.
Morning Sports Report.